Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Akhilesh Kumar, physics teacher from Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Government Girls PG College, Rajajipuram, Lucknow. Today I am going to demonstrate the experiment to design half adder and half subtractor using logic gates and verify its truth table. In this experiment, apparatus required are logic training board and connecting wires. This is the logic training board which we have used in the logic gates in the previous experiment. Now, first we write the truth table of the half adder, then design its circuit using the logic gates. See, this is the truth table of half adder. A and B are two numbers, two inputs. We add this, then we get its sum and its carry. When we add 0 and 0, we get sum 0, carry is also 0. When we add number 1 and 0, then we get sum 1, carry 0. When we add number 0, that is A is 0, B is 1, then its sum is 1 and carry is 0. When we add 1 and 1, its value is 0 because in binary number base is 2. 2 is written as 1 0, 0 as the sum, 1 as the carry. So this is the truth table of the half adder. And you remember that you see thoroughly this truth table. This is the same as the truth table of the exclusive OR gate. That is, sum of the half adder is the output of exclusive OR gate. And see thoroughly the carry. This is the output of the two input AND gate. In this way, we for designing the circuit of half adder, we use sum as the output of exclusive OR gate and carry as the output of AND gate. See, this is the circuit diagram. Here A and B are two inputs. Its input is connected to the input of the exclusive OR gate and its output is sum is equal to A exclusive OR B. Now we connect A and B with the AND gate. It gives the carry AB. First we verify the fourth condition of the truth table, that is when A is 1, B is 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. We are verifying last condition of the truth table first because we in our apparatus there are it requires 4 value of 1, but there are 2 inputs only, and there is no facility to connect multiple channel input in this apparatus. Therefore, by using banana probe, we have verified this truth table first. Just see the experiment. See, this is the AND gate, this is the exclusive OR gate, and its output is connected to the output. It will give the output of the as a sum of the half adder, and here this is output of AND gate. This gives the output of the this gives the output of the carry, that is carry of the half adder. Now see, this one is connected here, and we take with the help of banana probe 2 terminal here, and another terminal 1 is here. With the help of banana probe, we have taken 2 terminals from here. In this way, 4 inputs, 2 inputs of the AND gate and 2 inputs of the AND gate and two inputs of the OR gate, exclusive OR gate. Both have at this time the value 1. When both have at this time value 1, then what happens? S must be 0. That is, output of exclusive OR gate must be 0 and output of AND gate must be 1. We have first, let us check the output of the exclusive OR gate. Now it is 0. Now connect, let us connect the output of the AND gate, it is 1. See, again repeating, when in this condition output of, this is the output of exclusive OR gate, and this is the value of sum is 0 and this is the value of the carry. This is the value of the carry. The carry is 1. Okay. Now we verify the first, second, third condition of the truth table. So let us dismantle this circuit. Now we verify the first truth table. A is 0, B is 0. Now A is 0, A is 0 and B is 1. Zero, B is 1. Now at this A is 0, B is 1. In this condition S is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. Let us check first S. S is 1, right? Now let us check the carry. This is 0. This is verified. Now in the same way we change the input AB, then this should be verified. Change the order of A and B. In this condition A is 1, B is 0. In this condition A must be sum must be 1 and carry must be 0. Let us check. See, at this time sum is 1, means LED glow. And what about the carry? Carry is 0. It is not glowing. Similarly, you can verify the 0 value. For this, we have to take same procedure. We have to give the 0 to the all inputs. Just connect 0. 4 terminal. Now I am verifying the first truth table of the half adder, that is A is 0, B is 0, and at this time sum must be 0 and carry is also 0. This means A has 4 values 2 values goes to AND gate and 2 values of the A goes to the exclusive OR gate. See here, 0 is connected to A and B with the help of banana probe, and 0 is also connected to A and B of the exclusive OR, and 0 is given to the A and B of the AND gate. Now let us check the output of the exclusive OR gate, that is sum, and output of the AND gate, that is carry 1 by 1. This is 0, it is verified. Let us check the output of the AND gate, that is carry, it is also 0. In this way, this truth table of the half adder is designed and verified. Now you have to design this and verify the truth table and write its theory in your copy. In the same way, we design circuit diagram of half subtractor. In half subtractor, A and B are two numbers and its difference is taken and borrow is taken. A, when we subtract 0 to 0, that is 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. When we subtract 1 minus 0, that is difference is 1 and borrow is 0. What about 0 minus 1? 0 minus 1. When we subtract 0 from minus 1, 0 minus 1, this means 0 is the less number. It requires 1 borrow from the previous stage. As in the case of decimal number, 1 borrow. Just now explain it, write by an example of decimal number. Suppose we subtract 14 from 6. 4 is smaller than 6 and we take 1 borrow from the next stage. When we take 1 borrow, the decimal its base is 10 in decimal number, it becomes 10. Or 10 plus 4, that is 14. Then we subtract it, 14 minus 6, that is 8. In the same way, when we do 0 minus 1, then 0 is smaller. From previous stage, we take 1 borrow, which in binary its base is 2. It will come here and becomes 2. Then 2 minus 1, that is difference is 1 and you have taken the borrow 1. This means in this case difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Remember, this truth table is often asked in the Viva and you student oftenly confused in explaining this. So in the same way, in binary number system, base is 2. When we take 1 borrow from the previous stage, it becomes 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1, that is difference is 1, and you have taken the 1 borrow, then it is 1, right? And 1 minus 1 is 0, it is clear, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. So thoroughly if you watch this truth table, this is the same truth table as the sum of the half adder. This means in designing the half subtractor, you have to design the half adder. You have to use the exclusive OR gate. And if you thoroughly see the borrow, truth table of the borrow, it is equivalent to A bar B. Then we design the circuit in this way. This is AB, this is exclusive OR gate, this is equivalent to difference, and this is A bar, this is A, we have added here the NOT gate, it becomes A bar, and it is B, this is A bar B. Now we can verify this truth table by designing this circuit with the help of this kit. In this way, we have demonstrated the experiment half adder and half subtractor using the logic gate. In this Remember, we have used logic gate, exclusive OR gate, AND gate, and when we use half subtractor, then one NOT gate is also required. Okay, thank you students. Now write this experiment in your practical copy and prepare its viva, and also writes the result and precautions. Thank you.